all mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating video, and for today's content, another impressions and feedback na naman tayo sa isang iPhone, and this time doon naman tayo sa mga Pro Max series. So we have here iPhone 13 Pro Max. So saan nga ba mabibili si iPhone 13 Pro Max? So mabibili natin sa iPhone 13 Pro Max of course sa recommended shops natin sa Green Hills, which is CMB Gadgets and also KNL Telecom. So CMB Gadget is located sa second floor Tiangge XA07. Hindi pa rin po lumipat si Ate Mayet. And yung kanilang permanent shop is sa KNL. That is third floor V-Mall San Juan City. Sakay lang po kayo ng elevator or escalators. Nasa gitna lang po sila. Dire-diretso lang po kayo. Makakakita kayo kagad ng isang structure ng KNL Telecom o yung parang tarpaulin. So, nagpa-price range pala itong 13 Pro Max natin na 30,000 to 33,000. If by any chance you want to drop them a message, nasa description box po natin yung kanilang official page. But before that, of course, let's proceed checking the specification of this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this iPhone 13 Pro Max was released way back on 2021, and sa display mga sismars, meron itong 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR OLED na merong 120Hz refresh rate. Pagdating sa body build ng iPhone 13 Pro Max, yung front and back details nito is stainless steel frame. Sa IP feature naman ng 13 Pro Max, this is IP68, dust tight and water resistant. Pagdating naman sa chipset, meron itong Apple A15 Bionic na merong iOS 15, upgradable of course into iOS 18.3. Sa camera naman ni iPhone 13 Pro Max, meron itong triple camera, and those camera is 12 megapixel, including dyan of course yung telephoto and also ultra wide. Sa video recording, using the main camera, cover ito ng 4K resolution na merong 60 FPS. Sa selfie camera naman ni 13 Pro Max, meron itong 12 megapixel, and pagdating naman sa video recording, meron itong 4K na resolution up until 60 FPS also. Sa battery capacity naman ni 13 Pro Max, meron itong 4,352 mAh battery capacity. Pagdating naman sa storage, meron 4 storage si 13 Pro Max. So, meron siyang 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and also yung pinakamataas is 1TB. Sa color preference naman, meron 5 choices si 13 Pro Max. So, meron tayong graphite, gold, silver, Sierra blue, and also alpine green. Pagdating naman sa charging port, si iPhone 13 Pro Max ay merong USB Lightning charging port. Pagdating sa security feature ng ating 13 Pro Max, meron itong Face ID sensor. Again mga sismars, mabibili nyo po to sa recommended shops natin sa Green Hills, CMB Gadgets or KNL Telecom. Yung page po nila nasa description box. So that is the quick specification look sa ating 13 Pro Max. Let's proceed naman share na you guys my impression with this iPhone. Sa kanyang design, of course, if i-rate ko to mga sismars, I can give this one 8/10. Bakit 8/10, Maring Ana? Well, actually, maganda naman yung display ni 13 Pro Max. Aluminum frame is actually fine. One thing lang na hindi ko nagustuhan talaga sa kanya is yung kanyang side details. As you can see dito, glossy siya. So, mapapansin nyo na kahit naka-case na yan, si 13 Pro Max nyo, makikita nyo na meron talagang minimal scratches yan. Hindi nyo, magugulat na lang kayo na may minimal scratches yan. But that was actually fine kasi matatakpan at matatakpan lang naman din. Kasi matatakpan naman ng case if ever na magkaroon man yan ng minimal scratches. But sa recommended shops natin, all smooth po yung mga units nila dyan. Pagdating naman sa screen size, which is 6.7 inches, actually okay naman ako doon. Wala namang problema doon. Maganda nga yun kasi halos pag sinabi mo kasi Pro Max kagad ng iPhone, alam mo kagad na malalaki na kagad or malalaki kagad yung screen size ng mga iPhone na yun. So, good thing nila na ginawa din nilang 6.7 inches. Though medyo may kabigatan itong ating 13 Pro Max, pero hindi naman sobrang bigat. Okay. And kung tatanungin nyo ako mga sismars kung gaano nga ba kaganda yung 13 Pro Max, actually kung titignan nyo siya, yan, bigyan natin siya ng magandang ilaw. Kung titignan niyo siya, ang ganda talaga ng color niya, which is yung kanyang Sierra blue. So, that is just my impression with this 13 Pro Max. Maganda naman yung display and design nito, aside from the side details niya. Pero before ako magbigay ng, alam mo, conclusion dito sa 13 Pro Max, check naman natin yung kanyang camera. So, we have here photo. So, pagdating dyan, meron tayong 0.5, of course, yung pinaka mabenta sa mga Gen Z natin. And then, we also have here 3 times zoom in, and you can zoom in the photo up until 15. Pagdating naman sa video, we also have the same resolution, 4K with 60 FPS. We have an option here sa upper right corner. Meron ka ding option to turn on the flash. May 0.5, 1 time zoom in, 3 times zoom in, and you can zoom in the video up until 9. Meron tayong cinematic in here, 1 time zoom in and 3 times zoom in also. And then we also have slow-mo, time-lapse, panorama, and portrait. Pagdating naman sa front-facing camera, we have here portrait, photo. Of course, you don't have an option to zoom in and zoom out na sobra-sobrang layo. Yung ating 13 Pro Max. Meron tayong video in here, cinematic, slow-mo, time-lapse. Again, pagdating sa video resolution itong 13 Pro Max, you have an option to turn on or switch this one to 4K resolution and 60 FPS. Ayan. So, here is our setup. Ayan, as you can see. Let's proceed naman checking the video quality of this 13 Pro Max. So, video sample of iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, currently using the main camera. As you can see. Ayan, that is my setup right there. Ayan, you also have an option for 0.5 video. Ayan. So, that is our video. Next thing is yung front-facing camera video sample. Try natin na medyo maliwanag. Wait lang, hold on. Ay, naliwanagan naman masyado si Mare. Alright, So, next naman, try natin yung front-facing camera video ng ating 13 Pro Max. So, video sample of 13 Pro Max currently using the front-facing camera. As you can see, that is my setup. Ayan. Okay, so that is the video sample of 13 Pro Max front-facing camera. Next naman is try natin mag-capture ng photos. So let's try this one. So let's try to capture my Pokemon here. So 1 time zoom in, 0.5. And 3 times zoom in. And then, let's zoom in the photo up until 15. 15 yung zoom in nito. So, let's try to capture this one. To 15 zoom in. Hold on. Medyo nanginginig yung kamay natin. But, that was fine. Okay, so ito yung 15 zoom in. And then, we have here the 5, 3, 1, and also, ayun, no pala, mali, sorry. This is 15, 3, 0.5, and yung 1. So, next naman is yung selfie camera. No, portrait muna pala tayo. Let's try to use portrait naman. Okay, that is portrait. Let's try to capture one thing, another one. Let's try yung may flash, yung sobrang mabenta sa mga millennials. Yung with flash na 0.5. Okay. So, front-facing camera naman. So, let's turn off the flash. So, yan yung ating camera quality dito sa ating 13 Pro Max. So, let's proceed checking or flexing you guys this 13 Pro Max. As you can see, ayan, 120 refresh rate. That was actually good. As you can see, sobrang smooth mag-swipe dito sa ating 13 Pro Max. So, check natin yung settings nito. Battery health. So, 81% yung battery health niya. And then, let's try to check the storage of this iPhone. iPhone storage, here it is. Ayan. And then, we also have here software update. Well, actually, hindi pa nga siya na-update sa 18.3. So, later on, i-update natin yan. Well, so far, yan lang naman yung ating 13. Na-flex ko naman na sa inyo yung camera nitong 13 Pro Max. It's a sample of 13 Pro Max currently using the front-facing camera. As you can see, that is my setup. Ayan. Okay, sample of iPhone 13 Pro Max. So currently using the main camera, as you can see. Ayan, that is my setup right there. Ayan, you also have an option for 0.5 video. So, let's proceed na sharing you guys my feedback with this 13 Pro Max. So, if you're going to ask me about the price, 30,000 to 33,000, if worth it ba siya? Well, yes, it is worth it. Pero, siyempre, understandable naman na sasabihin ng iba dyan na sobrang expensive ng 30,000 to 33,000. It is expensive talaga. Pero yung expensive na yon or yung worth ng money na ilalabas nyo or yung worth na babayaran nyo with this iPhone, kapalit naman nun is yung good quality ng unit na matatanggap nyo. Aside from the freebies, of course, we are talking about the iPhone itself. Sa kanyang chipset, sa kanyang camera, at sa kanyang display, sobrang okay na okay po si 13 Pro Max. Again, mga sis-Mars, I'm not a pro when it comes sa pagre-review ng mga units dito, no? I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback and thoughts with this iPhone. And base sa nakita ko and base sa na-experience ko, 13 Pro Max was actually good, especially sa kanyang camera. Well, actually, good thing nga na nilagyan na ng cinematic mode si 13 Pro Max eh. Napakalaking bagay na lagyan ni Apple na cinematic itong si 13 Pro Max, lalo na sa mga content creators. Kasi hindi ka na mahihirapang i-focus lang sa iyo yung mismong i-focus lang kung saan mismo yung subject. For example, nagtitake ka ng video somewhere and you just want to focus sa isang subject lang. Cinematic is the best feature ni iPhone na pwede mong gamitin. Pagdating naman sa quality ng kanyang camera and video, of course, again, medyo hindi ganun kaliwanag yung workplace natin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, pag zoom in natin video, medyo may noise. Makikita nyo na maganda talaga yung quality ng 13 Pro Max pag sa liwanag or pag sa labas or outdoor po. So, that is just my feedback when it comes to 13 Pro Max. So, let's proceed naman sa conclusion natin kung marirecommend ba natin si 13 Pro Max. Definitely, para sa akin mga sis-Mars, yes, I can recommend this 13 Pro Max to be purchased this year. Again, mga sis-Mars, mabibili nyo sa mga recommended shops natin sa Green Hills. Yes, I can recommend this 13 Pro Max to be purchased this year. Kasi sa quality ni 13 Pro Max right now, ang dami nga feature na pwede pang ibigay sa inyo. Especially na lang kung gusto nyo talagang mag-start mag-vlog, or TikToker kayo, Reels, especially sa mga estudyante. Maganda din si 13 Pro Max to be recommended sa mga photographer actually sa mga videographer. Maganda talaga yung quality ng camera ng 13 Pro Max. Though, hindi siya budget-friendly phone at para sa iba, syempre, expensive siya. But we are talking about Apple in here. Pagdating sa Apple, lahat ng nilalabas po nila is actually superb quality. Sa camera, sa chipset, sa display, lahat po yan, maganda yung mga binibigay ni Apple. And of course, sa chipset naman mga sis-Mars, yung A15 Bionic chip was actually good. Kasi pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang gaming itong si 13 Pro Max. Lalo na yung battery capacity niya na 4,000 plus. Maganda po yun mga sis-Mars kasi tumatagal talaga si 13 Pro Max. Again, if gusto nyo ng mga pang gaming phone na magaganda yung quality din ng camera, go ahead and purchase Pro Max series. Kasi yung Pro Max, matatagal po talaga malalobat yan at proven and tested na po namin yan. Yung base model phone, magaganda yung mga camera niyan, pero asahan nyo na, alam nyo na, hindi ganun katagal nyo siyang magagamit, lalo na pag gamer kayo. So, I suggest, if gamer kayo at the same time gusto nyo din ng magandang quality ng camera, instead of purchasing base model phone, go ahead and purchase Pro Series or Pro Max Series. So, that's it mga sis-Mars. That is just my own feedback with this 13 Pro Max. Again, I can recommend this 13 Pro Max to be purchased this year 2025. Maganda po yung camera ng 13 Pro Max. Pwede siyang pang start, pang vlog. So, don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. See you ulit sa ating next na impression and feedback. Bye!